TCS is not hiring this year specifically for the ninja role. If you do only the foundation section, TCS is not going to call you for the interview. If you do only advanced section, advanced aptitude and coding, and if you don't do foundation section, TCS is not going to call you for any interview. TCS has announced the biggest hiring for 2024, 2025 and 2026 batch. How to prepare in the last 18 days. This 18 days will be very important for you. What is the latest updated pattern? Each and everything we are going to talk in this particular video. Friends, my name is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and I welcome all of you to this particular platform where we are going to help you in cracking TCS NQT. Okay, now, so let us see one by one, friends. So the first thing here is TCS has announced the hiring. So those who are not aware, if you have already watched our videos, you must be knowing that TCS has announced hiring for 2026, 2025 and 2024 batch. Okay, so TCS invites to the top talent to apply for prime and digital cadre opportunities, but TCS is telling if you don't perform well in digital and prime, then we will give you the job in ninja profile. Okay, fine. But one thing which you have to understand very clearly, friends, let me explain you through the updated syllabus and pattern. So one thing which you have to understand very clearly here. So there are two parts in the TCS NQT exam pattern. One is your foundation section, part A foundation section, and part B will be your advanced section. Okay, now, so if you do only the part A foundation section, then ideally you should be eligible for ninja role, but this time TCS does not have a ninja role hiring specifically. So only if you do foundation and advanced, and if you don't perform well, then only you will be getting the ninja role. Okay, so be very clear. If you do only foundation section, then TCS will not call you for any interview. If you do only advanced section, now suppose if somebody is doing only advanced section, then also you will not be called for digital or prime interview, because foundation section is also very important. We will talk about the syllabus pattern, the timing, each and everything. Okay, now let us go back here. So TCS is not hiring this year specifically for the ninja. TCS main focus will be on digital and prime. If you don't do coding questions, you might not be able to get interview call. If you do not do foundation well, you will not be called for digital or prime interview. So we have to perform well in both foundation and advanced section. Okay, now, so you have now limited 18 days of time. So in 18 days we will talk about the pattern also, and also which topic is very important to focus, that also we will talk. But friends, if you are, and exam rules also we will talk. So if you are not performing on daily basis, then it will be difficult to crack this TCS exam. So right now, friends, to crack any exam, it is very important to solve previous year question. Nothing else is required. Even mock test also, no, it is not required. I am telling you from my experience, because we are doing this from last 5 years and we have seen a student, see, at the last moment mock test, no, if you keep doing the mock test, okay, and if you do not have control on the previous year question, it's completely waste. Okay, so here day wise we have planned. So aptitude PYQ, verbal ability PYQ, coding PYQ, and all classes are marathon classes. Almost 1 to 2 hours of the classes you are going to get it. Okay, so coding PYQ, reasoning PYQ, mock interview, aptitude PYQ, verbal ability PYQ, you see, and coding we are teaching in all 3 languages. So you have to solve previous year question as much as possible. And where it is happening? So it is happening inside the TCS NQT crash course. Here also if you go and if you see the roadmap, right? So here also if you see the roadmap, it will be very clear that this is what we are going to cover as part of TCS NQT crash course. Many of you will tell, sir, you are doing promotion. My dear friends, okay, see, promotion is one thing. DSA white book part 1 and part 2, 800 plus pages, all questions has been done in Python, Java and C++. Okay, so this is more than sufficient for your coding. And I am not doing promotion, I am just telling you, because many of you definitely, you regret later after the exam. And this is now 1500 rupees. That time if you'll pay 1.5 lakh rupees or 15 lakhs rupees, then also TCS is not going to hire. This is opportunity at any cost. We do not have to miss it. And we are already working very hard. So please get this crash course without any further delay. Okay, already you have trusted college for paying 3 to 4 lakhs rupees. 1500 rupees you pay to us, and definitely you will never regret. You will find it beneficial. Okay. Anyway, now let us come back. So first we will see the TCS exam rules. Okay, and we will be very clear with the TCS exam rules. So friends, in TCS now, no section switching. That means if you are in aptitude, so you cannot switch from aptitude to reasoning. You cannot switch from reasoning to verbal ability. You cannot switch from verbal ability to coding. Okay, so only questions you will be able to switch. TCS exam will be happening at center. TCS exam will happen at center. Many of the students were telling, sir, exams are remote. No, the exams are not remote. There will be no negative marking. So please solve all questions. I mean, see, suppose there is 20 questions in aptitude. So whatever you are able to solve and get the answer, you solve it by yourself, and the other questions you can guess it. Rough paper you will be getting inside the exam. Any number of rough paper you will be getting inside the exam. So you do not have to worry. On-screen calculator will be there. Okay, so you will be getting on-screen calculator in the exam. No question wise timer, so you won't have any question wise timer. Okay, so for the complete section you will be getting like aptitude 25 minutes, reasoning 25 minutes, verbal ability 25 minutes, section wise timer. Okay, section wise timer will be there, question wise timer will be not there. Total 8 theta based question. That means the fill in the blanks, right? So total 8 theta based where options will not be given. Okay, and if you submit one coding question, then we can go to the second coding question. We cannot make changes in the first coding questions. Okay, once you move to the second coding question, and there is sectional cutoff. So each sections you have to perform well. We will see what will be the sectional cutoff. Okay, now, so let us come back here, friends. This particular pattern. This is the pattern, and we will talk about the sectional cutoff. So we have numerical ability, there will be 20 questions and the time will be 25 minutes. Logical reasoning, 20 questions, 25 minutes. Verbal ability, 25 questions and 25 minutes. Part B will be advanced section. So 14 questions and you will be getting 25 minutes. And then advanced coding, you will be having 2 questions and you will be getting total 90 minutes. So overall 190 minutes of the exam will be there. Okay. So this is the exact pattern what TCS NQT will be having. Now, I am going to talk about the sectional cutoff, and this sectional cutoff, friends, is not defined by TCS. So it's not like that TCS website or somewhere I found it out. No. Okay. So friends, see, I have around 13 years of experience in IT industry, and this TCS preparation, at least from last 5 years. I mean, we had only started online study for you. If you'll go on the YouTube and if you'll search TCS NQT crash course or Google, you will be finding online study for you back in 2020. Okay, so almost 5 to 6 years. So, and also every year when we talk to a student, that we will ask, hey, how many questions you had done? Sir, I had done 6 questions. Are you selected? Yes. So we come to know, okay, so 6 questions also if you do, that is nothing but our cutoff, right? So that kind of analysis we do. It's not like, okay, I have some contact in TCS. Just a minute, I'm getting a call. Okay. So, fine. Here. Okay, advanced aptitude. Okay, that is on. So based on that only, I am going to guide you. So here if you'll see total question in numerical ability, right? So 20 questions, as I said, okay. Out of 20, it depends upon the difficulty level of the question. So if the questions, generally TCS NQT question level will be good. So here you will be getting cut off around. So if you do 7 to 8 questions, you are in. Okay. But friends, you don't think that you have to do only 7 to 8 questions. No, your target should be, I should do at least 50 questions plus. But if the question is difficult, time taking, then what you will do? We can't do anything. So the cutoff goes very low. So this cutoff, like let me tell you. So this cutoff is for 2026 batch. Okay, on campus hiring. So here logical reasoning again. So here this is actually 7 to 8 is more, only 6 to 8. Here 8 to 10 questions you have to do. Verbal ability, you have to do 12 plus questions, 12 to 15 questions. If you do, you are in out of 25. Advanced aptitude reasoning. So if you do 6 questions, 6 to 7 questions, it is sufficient. Coding, advanced coding. So 2 coding questions will be there. in one coding questions around 7 test cases will be there, in another questions around 7 test cases will be there. Okay, so 7 test cases will be. So see, basically this cutoffs will be normalized. I will also tell you what is the normalized cutoff, which many people will not tell, even they will not be aware of that. The meaning of normalized cutoff means, my friend, see, this 6 to 8 marks, no, now suppose 20 questions are there in aptitude. Okay, now so 40% of this will be what, 8. So 8, if the TCS says or somebody says 40% is the cutoff, so 8 question, but it doesn't happen like this. They will see, so who is the student, I mean any student, or the maximum score, what is the maximum score in aptitude, then they come to know that 16 questions only is the maximum score that somebody has done this. So now it will not be calculated in 20, now it will be calculated in 16. 40% is around 6 questions, you say, so around 6 questions will be. So this will be the normalized cutoff, so not according to the marks. So whatever whoever has got the highest marks, based on that the cutoff will be there. So you do not have to think more about it. Okay, so this will be your pattern. Now friends, in the exam you have to understand which topic is important. Okay, so from there more number of questions will be there. And also one more thing I wanted to tell you, so today we have the live session. I think it will be there for 1 hour today, because of my busy schedule today. So here you could see, so one short aptitude topic percentage 0 to hero series. I think today I'll be able to cover part 1. Yesterday already we did coding question, how to take input in coding test, Java, Python and C++, right? So we have started with the live class, and tomorrow we have this Python videos. Okay, Python classes. Anyway, so now let us come back here. So today 7 o'clock I will be seeing you in the session. Okay, so now friends, here we have to understand which topic is very, very important. Like percentage, I always say percentage is very, very important. Why? See, simplification requires percentage, because when you solve simplification question, percentage is required. Okay, and then percentage itself is a topic, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, simple compound interest, data interpretation. There are many topics which need percentage. So percentage, I will say, like, minimum 2 to 3 questions you will get, average 2 questions you will get. So ratio, proportion 2 questions, simplification 1 to 2 questions will be there, LCM, SCF, number system, LCM, SCF, and this 1 to 2 questions will be there. Sorry, if you all together, if you will meet 2 to 3 questions, data interpretation 4 to 5 questions will be there. So you have to categorize and you have to spend time on the topic from where more question comes. It cannot be like whichever topic you want, you study. Now if somebody wants to study mixture and delegation, how many questions will come? 1 question, and you are wasting how much time? Out of 18 days, how can you plan like this? You cannot plan like this. Okay, then algebra, okay, geometry, mensuration. So these are the topics where you don't have to focus more. Statistics is important. Okay, time and work is important. Time, speed and distance, profit and loss, discount, simple interest. Okay, so these are the topics which are important, where you have to spend more time. Okay, now, so same for reasoning also. So already we have done some coding, decoding questions. Okay, dice problem we have started. Okay, so puzzles we have to cover. So all those things we will be covering it. Okay, so these are the topics which is very, very important. And friends, in 18 days now, this is the plan which we are going to follow. So courses live classes and YouTube live classes, both we are going to do for you. YouTube, the live classes will be very less, because the teachers are busy taking classes in the marathon classes for 2 hours. More than that you cannot teach in one day. Okay, in the past, see, these are the classes pattern. Okay, in the past we have given a lot of results. In the past we have given a lot of results, you can see. So I have completed my exam. Most of the questions were from the TCS crash course. Most of the questions were from TCS crash course. A student has also sent, thank you so much for your help, sir. Most of the questions were from the TCS NQT crash course. It's not the promotion. I wanted to tell you the reality, and so you will be able to take a decision quickly. Otherwise it will be very, very difficult for you, right? So I wanted to big thanks through your college journey something. I am permanent subscriber and I got selected in digital. I got selected in TCS digital. Thank you, Pratik sir. I have purchased your NQT crash course and it helped me a lot during the assessment. Okay, so means a lot. Online aptitude video, so just go through it. Okay, I don't want to read it again and again. So we have given the results in the past, and future also we will be giving the results. Okay, and the only reason is to give the result is the effort which we are putting. And with the DSA white book this year which we have released, definitely we are going to do a lot of things differently only in this price. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.